All right, Bob, what are you doing in that harness today?
So I am getting ready to get thrown out of a perfectly good aircraft.
Jumping out of a perfectly good airplane, huh?
Yeah, that's the plan.
Why would you want to do that?
You know what? I don't know.
Just random spur of...
You know what? It's something that's always been on the bucket list,
okay.
And I'm kind of checking that stuff off now. So.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, hell yeah, we're gonna take you up to 10,000 feet and throw you out of this airplane. You ready for it?
I am.
All right, let's go do it.
All right.
All right, Bob, here's our ride. All right. Ready to do it?
I am ready.
All right. Get it.
I do.
What do you think of that speed, Bob?
Oh, just want to catch a breath for a second.
You got it, brother.
Okay, what do you think of these things?
Bob, you just jumped out of an airplane. How'd you feel?
Fucking fantastic. Just fucking amazing.
Everything you expected it to be?
You know, there's no way to define what you're gonna feel. It's just an experience you have to do. You have to do this experience.
Fuck yeah, dude. What's your favorite part?
I think the first spin that he did, because I wasn't ready for it.
Yep.
And I was just like, what the fuck? Where are we going? Yeah, I think that was it. But just the whole thing, just amazing.
Oh yeah, dude, you gonna do it again?
Yes.
Yeah? Fuck yeah.
This is now probably gonna be an annual thing for me.
I'd like to hear it.
Hopefully you'll still be around. Hopefully you'll still be around.
We'll be here, man. We appreciate you coming out to Skydive, Colorado Springs, dude.
Yeah.
Glad you had a blast.
What color is the bottom of the plane?
I'm gonna say gray.
All right, well, I'll take it.